Viking Refrigerator Model VBI7360WLKA repairs. Stock up on perishables with this Viking Professional 36-inch refrigerator. The Blue Zone Fresh Preservation feature ensures optimal food preservation by eliminating odor and ethylene gas from the interior, and adjustable door bins store heavy items securely. This Viking Professional 36-inch refrigerator has an internal filter to quench your thirst with clean, fresh water, while the capacitive touch controls ensure easy operation. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Viking manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Viking appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Freezer control and lights are on, but compressor is not operating. Refrigerator is in defrost mode. Normal operation, wait 40 minutes to see if compressor restarts. Refrigerator does not operate. Refrigerator is not plugged in. Plug in refrigerator. Control is not on, fuse is blown, or circuit breaker needs to be reset. Properly adjust controls. Replace blown fuses. Check circuit breaker and reset. Food temperature is too cold. Condenser coils are dirty. Clean coils. Refrigerator or freezer controls are set too high. Properly adjust controls. Refrigerator has an odor. Compartment is dirty or has odor causing food. Water droplets form outside of door. Check gaskets for proper seal. Clean gaskets. Humidity levels are high. Hot, humid weather can increase condensation. Controls require adjustment. Refrigerator or ice maker makes unfamiliar sounds or seems too loud.